Here we are with the Beamer project, oil pan gasket replacement. Mr. Drew,
Hi guys.
Mervnato,
Yeah, Oakville, Ontario, Canada.
what's going on?
Well, on our first video we showed everything's got to come out of the way. We got everything down on the ground. We got the subframe there.
Subframe there.
We got the front differential, drive axles there.
Nice.
So it's basically to access the oil pan, the steering rack. We have supported because I didn't want to take out the steering column in that, so the weight isn't on tie rods or the thing or the shaft. So
Smart.
It's just there to be supported, and now we have access to everything underneath to get to our oil pan.
So this is the oil pan removed. That's the internal of the engine, nice and brown.
Yeah.
From years of heat cycles and
Well, extended oil life intervals too. Over here is our new gasket going right from BMW. We can get this in place here. The other thing is very important, as you know, in these European vehicles, aluminum bolts. These are the old ones that came off in the position they come in. You get a new bolt kit because these are Tortillo bolts, aluminum, only used once.
okay. So this is like a 5-minute job.
No, it's more 8.5 hour job. Lots of labor. Obviously, put up in your alignment rack after doing an alignment check, because make sure the wheels are still pointing in the right direction after dropping the subframe. You're not touching anything for that'll give you adjustment, but just to make sure anything is shifted slightly. Alignments are done in 1/10 of a degree and 1/16 of an inch, so every little bit matters.
Awesome.
And, yeah, we'll get this thing back on the road, oil leak free, shampoo, all washed down, and good to go for another 4K.
Sounds great.
Urban Automotive, safety first.
Thanks.